Like too many things going on.
So we have been, don't mind my bed, I don't have a sheet on it. It's over there because I washed it. Oh, we have a bunch of beads. Oh, look at my nails. I need to fix them, but they look pretty cute if I say so myself. That's Pooms. You all know her. Look at our beautiful little kitten. He's just keeping us company right there. Like, I have a Christmas tree in my room. Update. My room is a mess. Those are some pencil shavings from my... Those are some pencil shavings from my thingamabobber, my art project that pretty looked cool. Wow. When I was 10, I decided, hey, let's just sort all the letters and put them in bags. And so my smart little self decided to do that. And I guess it's a pretty good thing that I did it. I'm trying to get back into these type of bracelets because they actually look kind of cool and emo, which is my goal in life. These are all of the ones I want to use. Judge me. So yeah, we've literally been sitting here for like an hour sorting through these. Oh, I'm wearing my other glasses. Hopefully, I'm going to do Vlogmas. Also, don't mind my breakout. Don't comment on me because your girl's been getting a lot of hate comments lately. I mean, you do you, boo. You do whatever you want, but shut up. We're gonna make some bracelets, and I'm low-key excited. I'm also very hungry. It's 2:01 in the morning.
Same. Look at this cute little god.
He's honestly...
He blends in. He blends in with my blanket, too.
I have a Christmas tree. Okay, fine, don't focus. Alright, we're gonna make some. Oh, and we're also watching Cutthroat Kitchen.
Yes.
Because obviously, why not? Oh my god, you could see my entire room exposed. True.
I don't know why.
Are you okay? It scared me.
That was like, this side is always the worst. Oh. I was like, dude, I'm gonna steal this. I don't know where it's from. And then I realized GA. I was like, oh.
That's what I'm trying.
Ew.
That's creepy.
You sound really creepy.
I'm tired. I can't find the
Aren't
fluff
we
nugget
all?
wise.
Fluff nugget. Wow. New word, ladies and gentlemen.
Work really, really well together.
You were like,
Thank you.
I was like, she's really trying me.
oh, you know, you were really trying me when you wouldn't let me freaking look through the bag.
I don't hate my sister, okay? You guys are like, you're so mean to her. We're
Oh
mean
my
to
God.
each other. 1, 2, she's my sister. 3, you gotta act like you're not mean to your siblings, honey. Please.
I know.
I don't not love my sister. She's my sister. So don't say, does she even love her sister? Like, what? People
Who
have
are
said that.
you?
People have said that on mommy's videos, but still. $800, that's it.
That's sad.
He won $800. That's low-key pathetic.
I know, right?
Like, why did you participate?
If you're gonna use all of it.
If this isn't cute, I don't know what is. Okay, so I'm making a yellow and red one. This is accidentally there. This isn't supposed to be there, but I'm making a yellow and red one. What are you doing over there?
I'm putting my favorite numbers on this. So there's 12, there's a heart one, and then there's 12, and then there's a heart, and then it's 06, because just 6, but like that.
Okay, so we are done for tonight because we ran out of string, so we're gonna go to the store, hopefully, and buy some tomorrow.
Oh. That focus, though.
It looks like a date or something, but it's not. It's just
No, it's
just her
12
numbers.
and 6. I put an O.
And then I made 2. These are them. And then I have our Nirvana bracelet. We're gonna go to sleep after I fix this atrocious
Monstrosity.
thing. And we're gonna go to bed and watch Cutthroat until we fall asleep.
You should watch Hoarders or 600 Pound Life.
I say 600 Pound Life. So Pumbaa got really super hungry. So what we're gonna do is we brought the cereal in the room because we don't want to be loud because our family's sleeping. Take apple cider right now.
Do you see apple cider?
I'm gonna go get it.
Oh.
And then drink a bunch of water because I'm so dehydrated because I didn't drink water after I worked out because I'm an idiot. So yeah, and I have to wash my face and take off my makeup because I don't want to wake up like The Incredibles again. So I just took apple cider and now my stomach high-key burns. That's the usual. Anyways, so I'm gonna redo some of my nails because they got messed up while I was doing junk. So I'm gonna redo those. She's eating cereal like a queen at 3 in the morning. So I just realized that we're watching a Christmas episode, which is so weird because it's December 1st. It's 3 o'clock, so it's officially December 1st, obviously. So that's pretty cool. She's getting another bowl of cereal. I don't judge. I don't discriminate. So
I'm hungry. I don't know why.
Because it's 3 in the morning. We were supposed to be asleep like an hour ago. Okay, so I'm doing my nails. I don't know why I made that face. I'm so sorry.
I want to know what the Christmas present is.
It's called a present for a reason. I hate when everybody's like, what'd you get me? What'd you get me? And you're like, dude, it's a present. You're not supposed to know.
I know. I just want to. She's like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, obviously. Imagine it's like a paperclip or something. She's like, you like your paperclip?
I'd take the paperclip. I'd be like, ooh, a paperclip. Thanks. Dude, if you gave me an avocado for Christmas, I would literally quote that vibe because I would want an avocado. I ate avocado toast today. I was pretty healthy today. I ate avocado toast and then I ate chicken with rice at school.
Well, I ate 2 bowls of cereal.
And I shared Cheez-Its with my friends. I bought Cheez-Its, but I gave them most of it because I didn't really want them, but I know they love Cheez-Its, so I bought us Cheez-Its. And then I took like 2 bites of a slice of pizza. Baby steps. But my mom had ramen and I didn't eat any. But I worked out as well, so I literally only worked out because I was so bored. I didn't want to, but I was so bored that I worked out for an hour, so.
Oh, and when you said down the 12, we were getting a vlog.
There's nothing more unifying than food. There's nothing more divisive than politics.
I'm using the ends of the bread just because, oh my god, I cannot with one hand. Okay, so I'm making avocado toast with the ends of the bread because that's all we had left, and I don't really care, to be honest. So I'm making avocado toast, and what I use are these Holy avocado, 100% chunky avocado from Albertsons, and they're just the minis, and they make 2 of these, and then I'm also gonna make some egg whites and put it on top. So I'm gonna make these, and then yeah.
I'm really excited to share the flavors with my family.
I'm using the rest that I didn't use yesterday because I don't want to waste it. Oh, I made a lot. It's fine. Protein.
Mommy, she said, really? You have been using it.
Oh, that's all I needed. Cool, I didn't have to open it. So with the avocado toast, I put salt. Avocado needs salt, pepper.
The great pico. I think you could use a pinch of salt just to bring that out and make it a little more savory.
Put chia seeds so that these fill you up faster.
Straight.
I'm gonna salt these. It looks like I use a lot of salt, but I don't. And then I just put these on my pot. Doesn't look that attractive, to be completely honest. Okay, it looks kind of gross and disgusting, but basically what I do is I put egg whites on top of here every once in a while, and then I'll just eat these by themselves. I don't put anything on them. Oh, it's currently 2:50, 3:54. My sister's playing the flute. We're gonna go to the store right now. I'll probably vlog in there, and if not, you guys could see it in her vlog, or we'll use some of the same footage. I'm not sure yet, but we're both vlogging, so but anyways, so I go to Walmart or Target or something, we're gonna get like cookies and stuff. And this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my rainbow hoodie sweater that was $40. My black workout pants and Converse, don't mind my room. And then I just have my necklaces and my accessories. And then I just have eyebrows on and mascara because I was too lazy to do my eyeliner. I'm eating a Nutri-Grain thing because I'm hungry, but I don't want to eat too much. They're making cinnamon rolls. It's iconic. I'm also drinking a tropical mango. If it'll focus. Tropical mango, vitamin water, 0 calories. Her leg is hanging. Okay, so these are the cookies. Don't mind all the wires. This is the dining room, so it's like the work area. Anyways, there was a lot of these, but everybody already ate some, or people ate them, and then I just put a few on these plate, and now I'm gonna go give Puma some. You can have it both.
Not all of you are going to have to face this pressure test.
The chocolate chip in particular are very, very good. Okay, so I'm about to work out, and I'm low-key tired. So I'm gonna drink some coffee, work out, shower, and then edit this vlog and have it up hopefully before 12. So yeah, and then I'm gonna probably clean my room because honey, it needs it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog thingy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.